Russell here. I'm going to give you instructions on how to put the front factory windshield. Step 1 is taking off the roof. You'll see there's 4 Allen bolts, 6mm Allen bolts on the top, 2 5mm Allen bolts on the bottom to get the roof off. So that's step 1. Step 2 is installing these clips right there. So you'll hook the clip right here on this lip, right here, and then you'll push it on, like right in this direction. You'll push it on until it comes around and snaps, until it snaps into place right there. I had to put a screwdriver in between here and kind of pry and push at the same time, and then it finally popped into place. So once you have these both brackets, both sides, popped into place, you can set the windshield on. Okay, so right here on the top is a 5mm Allen bolt with a 13mm nut on the back side. Okay, so there's already a pre-drilled hole here in the frame that you just pop that through. And so you'll put that on both sides. Once you have those lined up, then you'll come back down. There's another 5mm Allen with a washer and then with a little spacer on the back side. And that's just going to twist into the clip that we put on. So you can push that down, maybe recommend having one person push here as hard as they can, and then tighten that 5mm Allen over here on the back side. Second to last step is putting the foam strip right here all the way across. Okay, and then the final step, tighten everything down, put the roof on, and you're good to go.